How's it going, YouTube? Quick unboxing. Lipo battery. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, guys. Got that box cracked open. Got that Lipo there. That's how it came packaged. I don't know, I got it from Amazon, as y'all can see. It's a 7 volt 6002 milliamp 50C discharge rate. I want to give a huge shout out to my brother King RC on a Facebook called Jacob RC. Because of him, they sent me this battery to try out, do a review on and everything. I just got 2 more 3S's as well. I'll put a link to his channel up there. Y'all go ahead and check him out, man. Good peoples, real good. So they sent me this battery to review, no unbox, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Shout out to my bro King RC. Alright, y'all gotta stay tuned. Let me get in there. Guys, we up in the box now. Come with a little strap. That's the name of the battery, DXF. Y'all go check out King RC channel. He got a few of these batteries up on his channel. And that's how it come, you know, protective. You know how mailman be slapping that thing around. Let's go ahead and crack that. Guys, let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. Boom. There we go. So we got 6000 2S 50C. Got a Dean's plug on there. For some reason everybody always get the leads with the tips, the new tips on the end. I get these ones all the time. But I ain't worried about that though. But I'm gonna definitely try out these batteries. I gotta test it here. Let's go ahead and test it. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, I see what's going on. Pretty much balanced. It's like a storage mode. So it's not bad. These look like some solid batteries, man. Some good hard cases. I'm gonna give them a try. I got 2 more 3S's, as I said, coming. And as they grow, I'm gonna try out their 4S's and 6S's. Their prices is very decent, so I ain't got no complaints with that. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be trying this out in yet, but we'll definitely go ahead and get it tried out or something. Solid pack though, real solid. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in on the unboxing. Once again, shout out to King RC. Facebook, him at Jacob RC. And y'all already know, man, nothing but love. RC fun.